In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a Word document to a PDF on your laptop. First, open the Word document you want to convert. Once it's open, click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select Save As. In the Save As window, choose the location where you want to save your new PDF file. Then, click on the Save As Type drop-down menu and select PDF from the list of file formats. You can also choose the file quality, such as standard or minimum size, depending on your needs. If you click on Options, you'll be able to choose whether to convert the entire document or only specific pages. Once everything is set, click the Save button. That's it. You now have a PDF copy of your Word document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.